morning, Akwaba Sonko, the Badwam Ahosepe, Jumezido, Izino, Enye, the Fantido, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Akwaba, na entertainment home commona, na mijina de miserable. Team no, I already Sarah, director out chi papa, na and no Richmond no boy production. So no. Thomas Mo Ginger Camera Chief Festus or had to be aligned design no Mamma found common no farm bro. Say it will be a beer social media cry him there. And then socials no die, but there as a opinion premier new movie be nada and come out do chrome had a any day in industry no be so new or have one or be a film do premier movie or be a film there or a play na say. Na industry ne da hwata say oro kwadan ojananando anade wada motibia no mo panyin bi o mencha no wada onye mo twetwe ho nkomo minim there was a film for rebrehen sine no izino odado a fisherman ba wa na na onye mo twetwe nkomo se menkan za akohwa adwuma no wa ya acha papa ko research ne kakra na chede adwuma no why be 40 years ni but so me age fruma obaka bebre adwuma no oti adwuma na sanka ntino baby afom nanam bia no ana afom ho nkomo no bia no wo he nchen orbobo he fisherman ho nkomo ya azmo bedem bia no obeja asam ekura na de biembi eze amahen menya mpanfo ebien kor ya na uncle Ricky o mention wa de ni say name no musro mun try na la wo ha bia obobo he me ya bodamaran so na kiki so we had in channel wa de wona bi ni na no we actors ntino akwa aba ne pay Uncle Ricky
sweetheart
you still day
yeah
ejuma na le ye dama no what's amarangen 40 years in the industry wow then tonight why been there actor for 40 years Uncle Ricky
nyamina Adom Fantino ya Badwam
Badwam me let me know like I want to know why have you been acting for 40 years?
Well, it's the passion. Nyamina ama me achede ntina ono edimi ba wiase say me be dem djuma no ntina me godo.
Okay. Na be kada you 40 years no enya mfaso wo ejuma na e numu na ebeka da ejuma na ye no wa metuma atoka wonyama bi ebutuma ezun sa point akede de me enyama ye ewe ejuma no no zedam nyama na mwana
say ozi ka de matobida bi di chair na ma me headache
na kind of problem always
we tough for abresa and ejuma no so ni say bia wiase no enya bi bia na me cause jojo at times when you ups and downs and this ana film business and our benefits and so them and you always sika it be stress one your benefit and as one your benefit sometimes satisfaction
okay
and I say nipa do what me impact with idea we here e be obi wo na say areho and so shower na ni agi it's also part of the benefit.
Okay.
And it encourage your young ones not to so anymore. It's also part of the benefit. Yeah, new hobby man, they will take over. They've even started taking over, which is good. So we say, I'm satisfied.
I'm with the part of passion home because what I there, even in the media, you share creatives and kasa hinejumana not usually passion. Unkomoni your passion. Because of that, no, in one day either ma ejuma one ma or still what share in the corner will take advantage of passion into no anangrig.
Son here. O share best abroad best US and as Europe no. Say my work creative omo creatives and I say arts no omne Oscar bebre Oscar pa now so Ghana am say nyame ankasa no odo Ghana so ma say wa man normal bebre too much there's one thing so kakra with that no say akoyet say ye endorse our money they know they see the value
Okay.
That's why Abruswa, they don't see the value anymore. They don't really.
So actually, we wonder is that they don't see the value.
Yes, it's the value they don't see.
Of creatives.
Yes.
Okay.
Because America, nipa bako in a movie, Timmy conquer a whole battalion. On the woman they are projecting America to some level. Say, because America no, obiani obi mnanso, udi weni rema utimi say oh, omo lacking over baby. And so because of the movies, no, America has become so glorious. Everybody wants to go there.
No car.
Yes, you been to me use your movies. Italian can say
tell a better story about Ghana.
Ghana, young can say stories. Ethnic groups are Ghana. Bebre. Obia one in history. Very unique. And so you can't wait anyway, boomer. Look at the type of story I
American Greek or a troop. Me kept the new business commoner or casa for the fact that India in Yefe crowd, so what you movies a baby or bachelor.
Yes.
But in Ghana had a nature film and you try to crass so what bits about China in the other one. So on him that had a yashi was skyscrapers, Nazi, or Chrome had American and Corpa. But Yericas of industry no and how a chimba from here papa into Mammy. Kiki Sonkasa, Kiki, other than how difficult is it to enter the acting industry?
Well, I wouldn't say that difficult. If only you have the right people at hand. Say it was profile would the moon contain there. So I was fortunate to meet people who are already in the system. On Shadanye, them difficult. So I wouldn't say too difficult. Unless maybe your passion is not so strong as the way you wanted to go further. Okay. And it is difficult like that, but it is not something that is difficult.
The Fisherman. Yes. Fisherman be kokoye bibi hu. O me trailer no. Trailer no na ye studio ha de me yanka rake na kiki e wa ha de me trailer no na ye mbresi.
What does this day bring, Ata?
Sun all day.
Actually, my app says it's going to rain at noon.
Sun.
Rain.
Sun.
Rain.
Listen, I am going to buy my own boat. Who is with me? Give me my fish.
Hey, you, down here in the bucket.
Me?
Do you see another old man looking at me?
Stop talking and go back to being a fish.
Come and dead me.
I will.
If I jump out of this bucket, I will slap you with my fin. Slap, slap, slap. You have to stroke it, then poke it.
You want to join? Yes.
Do I get a wish?
No.
You just talk.
I'm sorry. Is that not like cool enough for you?
He would like to apply for a loan. We can only consider a 3-year payback plan.
You think I will die in 3 years?
No.
Oh, she paused.
Papa.
Catfish is very rare. How much?
Priceless.
I need a message first.
The message is, eat me.
We are screwed. Trust me, gambling is like swimming. It's in my DNA.
Where is Kobe?
I miss his Jesus fish.
One thing about being Olu is we always value the ones we love.
Wow. So, one trip to Accra, and the man has become a poet.
Shut up.
What are you doing? It's like texting my ex, I love her, and then block her because God said to confuse the enemy.
You don't even have an ex.
Wow, just wow. Trailer no we keep here your studio had a smiling throughout. And you can imagine my film no over here, Uncle Ricky. Yeah. Hey, where's your film? Talking fish.
Standard fish very high.
Yeah, telephone tomorrow. Say do tomorrow closer. Moving the tap. A
lot of education.
Yeah, no more casa.
Yes. And animation, where they are real fish, meaning the
animation.
The whole universe, me pen and meeting in language.
I see.
And the meaning the bone come every time. Yeah, that's why.
International, you know, this is uncommon film.
Yes, wow.
Hey, this is very interesting. I share story now.
Well, that my main jama.
Okay.
Yeah, encourage youth no.
No answer my kiki one on kwe.
Okay, today mo say who film name I the fisherman ono opede odiade. In fact, our experience pa say work up for that. Into dana odu there wodo odiade na wode be man. One fan man. No,
obey
on him.
Okay.
Once one fan man. No, the come be just there work school in tea.
I see.
Until you were there, on no the other. And so, I did working also no nyansa and also no school. Until abandon buffy. Until a buffon, na odikoshia.
Talking fish.
Talking fish, and a young Crawford.
But for custom, more from synopsis. I'm walking cra. Nine no. Abo wasn't I share one. He found a film.
Your question was Silver Bed.
Okay.
And West Hills Mall.
Yeah.
Silver Bed in a West Hills Mall.
19th September, which is this coming Friday. Wow. 7 p.m. and at 9 p.m. Or these two places.
There were red carpet, 6 o'clock to 7. 7 na game na starting. Nice.
Me who endurance. A lot of big faces.
Yeah. Endurance the very first movie I was in. Workers to movie.
Because she really delivered.
Yes.
Yes, no flair no.
Yeah, flair.
Yes, no flair no. And the social media no boy TikTok no. I'm on cover one talent na zinti no. This is so beautiful. Bepe there be kwa share. What is your hin?
100 spell.
Oh. Why is it?
No, we can say 5 in count because movie no education entertainment information BBR.
Okay. You see Ochina at what time?
7 p.m.
7 p.m. West Hills Mall na Silver Bed. Showing time ni ebi. Nti 7 a ebotum na akon 9. Friday so say yi baby akọ apun ejuma or dey besim ko fie na ka rest. Now so no you know your stress reliever. Asa nti no be here there boko West Hills Mall 7 another 9 na kwa share the Fisherman and Ricky wom kiki nso wom trailer dey boy no mo kwama so ma bono crack ho sand no e kama papa so na me ken no you boy no obi o studio ha bia na or smile papa nti no Ricky me da se bebre nti no mo kwa why the Friday onso no obi akọ baby ye ba bo share the Fisherman.
Now so you were a bit more on dan door space no on my space. ADA production. It's a web say about my bass.
Pocho, but we are now actually most of my mania tickets. Jada Mobohana, na they were numbers be a but to my friend mania tickets.
Exactly. Bel Crest.
Monsieur Munam,
Access Bank.
Yes. Butre chief na community ni na
Madam Mary. Margaret Mary,
Catholic Church. They did very well. Zoe Mattison, Blue Vision, Kofi Atokra, like Nkofu be brain na wo boy ma sini obeye sini.
Yeah, when I sent me tickets and begin with him.
Eba Silver Bed another West Hills smaller. Benya because normally link no on share den yi etri ma ebeka de www de ni ha nti you follow Silver Bed.
Ebe go things I benya bi na ahwe. Agriki na kiki nyame hira ho na papa da ho na asejuma so ma wore nyame mo won nyansa ho zan. Omo won kwatenten. No won to want na se no won twa mo family da ho na ase papa no asama ro nyene ma yansa na yanhwe the Fisherman trailer no ibiom. Inti bra na basen kwa share the Fisherman. Oye West Hills Mall on Silver Bed. Ochina 7 p.m. 9 p.m. What's the tickets? No, 100 Ghana cedis per and you buy a the trailer while so share with the feel pa. So no seconds na na sha or buy a come up papa. Ya sorry yes industry new. E wo don we. Otapo basen na support. No has some aranyen na nkomo twetwe fufuru mu no mo boko bazima o dey yim kan sana makwaza sa osofo a wo hye foreign ministry do oye honorable Samuel Kujeto Ablakwa da wo ye shezi kakra na celebration na wo ye no ase no denezi de Ghana fu bi wo yenuma 1 diplomatic passports into no me yenkete video no yen hye kakra na yembra.
All humility with the powers conferred on me under NLCD 155, which is the Passports and Travel Certificates Decree of 1967. These 5 very special Africans are going to receive diplomatic passports from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ghana to carry out their mobilization and to continue with the good works that they have already been doing to mobilize people of African descent across the world. And I will provide the list as follows. Number 1 on the list is the interesting young man, Wode Maya. Wode Maya is number 1 on the list. He has done so much to promote African tourism and to really bring the African people together. And we think that he should be honored with a diplomatic passport to further enhance his work. The second person on our list is Lady Denta Amwating. Number 3 on our list is no other person than the iconic Rocky Dawuni. Number 4 on the list, another dynamic lady, Anita Eskin. Number 5, the one and only Ibrahim Mahama.
Into no Samuel Kujato Ablakwa Enyen na Mama Kasi Bicho, you who do I post socials no do and Facebook, you know, but sure they were announced a war or your diaspora summit away in 2025, you know, I say the Munko Fee with Maya, Lady Denta Amwating, Rocky Dawuni, Anita Eskin, and Ibrahim Mahama. Now, Zana, okay, you know, one picture no chogun with Maya seeing him now promote tourism, Papa, Denta, and so a lot of collaborations are yehu, but of a Denta to the Mayfield with Maya ha. To know the entire Sunni, a lot of collaborations, Naza yehu, the Ghana, any international organizations, Nazmi Rebaying now, or share most of them issue. Or connect artists now, the big woman, you know, also in Rocky Dawuni or in was the Ghana Grammys a number of times. Also, about when your nominations a number of times, you know, Rocky Dawuni and so in Damara and Anita Eskin, or presenter Papa, Jumano, or say journalism, why archer. Now, no so bono who wasn't Papa or promote Ghana. And wo abrochi mem na ze nti no da mo fi nyina ne tumu no yen kofa wo bobra papa na iyi na confusion no aba ho kakra no Ibrahim Mahama no to cho ya no bomoz na ko kire de nye Ibrahim Mahama president ni nua bia iyi Ibrahim Mahama artist ewu you know ne dwuma oye nyina yi no kakanya masise nyi tumu fa backs na ze na wa hyehyɛ in such a way that waba bibia osi ho no mo iconic art na do ye adwuma basa nti no Ibrahim Mahama no etampo chonye president nua ni bia samolu kuje to abla kwa chirem oninyi oye artist a o promote Ghana owo abrochi nti no ma yankwa he comment ni bi all botro to social media no Rahim Sani o say ono most papa no ye fast o explain pa Ibrahim Mahama no onye president ni bia no amwasrewa wa the phone to no listen Savior Aboni or say not the president's brother, very important message. You know them was on Ghana for ye papa nyada ma ye born na ne kase into no Abdul Basit Isaka and so I say hey agenda cast for the fifth person on the list and you go hear am into no I said hey no what to turn the power ba or some could to a black on so or fast into no chano obonchilem no ntam ti controller OG no all the bloggers nka by now get wind the caption no wa ye be jani test came na azi nyina honom na ye use Ibrahim Mahama no se be Ibrahim Mahama and others honored with a diplomatic passport they su Ghana ye nya buto kran ko hwe for others no na Ibrahim Mahama no wona adepending ka minister ke be gibi papa ntino oye pa dey fast honom ntino ha na bezon ko bonu bechu comment no dey oroko odos papa where ko ni page hono botum na kaka ne bi example ho won mo wo so mu mama say in there who sepene bro no nyame hye hon ye papa da mara na won mo wa jembret na say ni me ye no so nyame hye hon is no e the Fantado follow mo social media handles ni nyina do as Fantado nyame ya adoma ye besana ye hye CCRZ Macron